This is wash day after a month. It's been a month since I washed my hair. So today I'm going to shampoo my hair. I haven't done a shampoo in a while for you, so I'm going to show you the shampoo. I'm going to use the Miel Avocado Tamanu Anti-Freeze Shampoo. This one. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to wet my hair, put the shampoo on, and I'm going to use this little massage brush to lift up any settlement that I have in my scalp. So let me rinse, let me wet my hair, and then I'll put the shampoo in. Now my hair is all wet. I don't know if you can see it. I think I need to shift camera angles. Wet my hair, so I'm going to put shampoo on there. And I usually shampoo twice, sometimes 3 times. But I'll just show you the first shampoo. And I put a lot because the first shampoo you want to have all that gunk, grease, gel, whatever you use in your hair, you want to make sure you get enough shampoo on that hair to get it out the first time. And that's where the second shampoo comes, just to make sure all is good. Rubbing it all in, making sure every section of my hair does have shampoo. Don't be afraid to use shampoo to clean your scalp. That's the ends of my hair. I'm just rubbing it. Because you know the end of your hair is the oldest section of your hair. The roots is the youngest section. Now that I make sure everything is good, I'm taking my brush and I go like this. Don't go too hard. And I go through my head. Pay special attention to the crown and the sides of your hair. The crown of my hair. Sides, which the edges. The temple. Now I'm ready to rinse the first shampoo off. Now this is what the first wash looks like. This is what the first one looks like. My scalp. Hopefully you can see my scalp. Now that I've done the second shampoo and rinse it out, I damp my hair a little because I don't want all that water falling off me while I put the rinse off conditioner. And I am going to do that with, I put it upside down because it's a very, very thick conditioner, but this is Camel Rose. This is a thick conditioner. It is very hard to come off when you squeeze it. So I usually just open and squeeze, and then it comes out. But it's very, very thick, but it's a good conditioner. And this is why I put a lot. I want a lot. Even though it's a wash of conditioner, I put a lot. Because after that, I'm going to put a deep treatment. I want to do it once a month when I shampoo my hair. So once a month I'll do a deep treatment. But I like to do the wash off conditioner first. So I just put it everywhere. I massage it everywhere. Everybody does what works for their hair. Remember that your hair, you know your body. Do the right thing for your hair. I just massage it. That's the amount of hair that has shed since I've shampooed my hair. This. Now that my hair has the leave-in conditioner, I'm not using a white tooth comb today. I am just going to like section the hair. I'm just going to comb out that conditioner, the wash-off conditioner. I have a wash-off conditioner in, and I just want to comb it all through the hair. So I'm not using a white tooth comb for that today. I just want to use the regular comb because I want it to go through. And I'm just going to take my time and get that done. This is what I do while I do the wash-off shampoo. Once I untangle it, I tend to twist it so I can get to the rest. So this is what I have. I'm now going to rinse off the wash-off shampoo. I wash my hair with warm water. When I put the wash-off conditioner, I rinse it off with cool water. Everything after that is cool water. Once I'm done with the shampoo, everything else I have done to my hair, or I'll be doing to my hair, I'll be using cool water to rinse it off. This is what my hair looks like after rinsing off the wash-off conditioner. Dampen it a little because now I'm going to put a deep treatment in. I don't want to take out too much water, but I don't want to have too much water going through. If I need my hair to be more wet, I'll just spray it with water. This is how much hair I've lost after the wash-off conditioner. After shampoo, after wash-off conditioner. That's my hair. This is what it looks like after that wash-off conditioner. Once a month, I like to do a deep treatment, and this one is Camel Rose Algae Renew. I'm going to put that all over in my hair, and I use a lot. I try to make sure I have a lot so I can cover every part section of my hair. The crown of my hair, all through my hair. I'll put as much as I need to cover every single section of my hair. And then I massage it in. Make sure the ends have it also. Always do what works for you. I like to massage it in my scalp. I like to put it all through my hair. I use a lot because I want to make sure everything has it. And then this is where the white tooth comb comes in. Because I want to make sure it's everywhere in my hair because I'm going to cover my hair with a white plastic cap. And then I'm going to sit under a hair dryer. Now it's everywhere in my hair. Everywhere. I have this old plastic cap that I always save. I always save old plastic caps that are too wide after a while. So when I do these treatments, I can just use one of these instead of a new one. That, and then I'm going under the hairdryer. But if you don't have a hairdryer, what you can do, put a cap on, and then I usually just tie my hair with a headscarf and do whatever I'm doing for half an hour and then wash it off. I'll show you. So if you don't have a hairdryer to sit under, you can take one of your silk caps, put it over it, so that keeps the heat from your head from escaping, and that helps with the deep treatment. If you don't have one of these, you can use a scarf, which I have done many times. I'll tie my hair, go do what I'm doing, wherever I have to go do it. Nobody knows I'm in a deep treatment. I will tie my hair with a scarf. If I have to go out to do errands, anything, nobody knows I have a deep treatment on. And this is what I do. And this is what I do. And when 30 minutes is up, I will untie it. And I'll rinse my hair. And I will do that sometimes, but today I want to sit under the hairdryer, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you a little bit of it before I rinse this off, okay? I have this type of dryer where you put a hairdryer to give you the heat that you need. Very, very easy. If you can get one, buy one. It's very, very easy. It has this, and it has an elastic. I take the nozzle of the hairdryer and I put it this way. So when I put it on, you see? So that's how it works. I take the cap, I put the cap in, and then I can pull this to tighten it up. That tightens it up. Then there is a strap, a chin strap, to secure it. And then this is where everything is. You see how flat this is, and it will inflate as I go, and I just hold it in. I just hold this for half an hour, 15 minutes, half an hour, and then I'll take it off. But I just want to show you. And this is the soft, it's called Soft Hood by Hairfair Deluxe, new and improved. Again, this is what it looks like. Now we are going to go, and these are the settings. There's high, low, warm, cool, and we are going to start. It just came out from under the dryer, so I'm going to rinse. This is what my hair looks like after I come out from under the dryer. This is what my hair looks like after I am finished rinsing off the deep conditioner. This is how much hair came out after the deep conditioner. This amount right here. So after I finished wash, I had this amount. After the wash of conditioner, I had this amount. And then after I wash off the deep treatment, I had this amount. So in all, I only shed this amount of hair. I'm going to use Camel Rose Honey Hydrate as my leave-in conditioner today. I also have the Cantu, but today I'm using this one. It looks just like honey. It looks exactly like honey. And I just rub it. Again, it looks and feels like honey. But as you rub it, it feels like a little, you can feel a little warmth from it. And I love that because it's like a hot oil treatment all over in my hair. That's what it feels like. There's a warmth when you apply it to your hair. When you rub it in your hands, you can feel that warmth also. And I'm just going to put it all over in my hair as usual. It feels really good. All my hair must have the ends. Don't forget the ends of your hair. This feels good. This wash day feels really good. Really, 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 really good. And that is my wash day walkthrough for you. Hopefully you're taking care of your hair. Hopefully you're making sure your hair is in good condition. Your hair is healthy. Your hair is loving, because a good crown of, when you have a crown of hair that you love, it's a good thing. And if you're the person who keeps your hair short, that's also good. Enjoy how you like your hair. It's you that have to enjoy it, not somebody else. Other people who enjoy it, that's just the benefit of you loving your hair and taking care of it. So when other people love it, it just shows you that you're doing a good job. Okay. See you in the next video. At this point, you have seen the whole walkthrough. What I do with this hair next remains to be seen. And this is it. Nice and fluffy, bouncy.